Hello guys, welcome to the Curation Cloud review. I'm going to review Curation Cloud for you, and I'm also tell you about every aspects what Curation Cloud does, how it works, its pros and cons. But let me first tell you what is Curation Cloud. Curation Cloud is a software that helps you to create content on autopilot, or it's like a automated way to create or update your website with content, with the relevant content you want to post on your website, and your audience will be always updated and connected with you. Because in today's market, if you put out the content on regular basis, your audience is going to be connected and you are going to have a deeper connection with your audience. Now let me show you what the bonuses you are getting. I will walk you through the through the software just in a minute. Let me show you what bonuses you are going to get. I have written an article. You can also go through the article in the given description link, which is available on the link in the description. And now uh, the bonus number one, the Thrive Architect, Divi, Excellence, List Building, AI Logo Creator, and all the stuff you are going to get with the software. You can check all the bonuses below. And also, in the last of this video, I am going to give a very special bonus. So watch this video completely, and I am going to give you a very special bonus which you are going to really love. So stay with me for a while. And now the cloud dashboard is here, and here is the part of content. See, you can see content. Now what the content part does, you actually can search any topic here. For example, if you put a keyword about Bitcoin, for example, if your website is on Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies, here you can find out relevant content, and you can go with last month, or it is going to search the content from overall internet which you can repost legally. See, it only gives the content which can be reposted or which can be put it on your website legally. So that is the advantage of the software. See, you can also go through these sources. So I just please remove the filters, and now here you can, like, if you want to post this, okay, what is Bitcoin, if you want to post this particular post, here you have to post it and you have to publish it. There are many websites which don't have their own content, but they are making hell lot of money. Same you can do with the Curation Cloud. Means every headache has been over. You have to just get your website to a bigger audience, and automatically audience will find out you if you have a greater if you have a much larger content than other websites. So here this content part will all work for you, and here in the blog section you can add on your website. For example, if you want to add your website or your WordPress blog, here you have to your give a name to your blog. It's like a nickname to your blog, which will only be shown here. And here you have to put your WordPress URL, then WordPress username, then it's your WordPress password. Then you have to create, and your blog will be added, and you can post content from the terms here. Now if you want to create, like I said earlier on this video, that Curation Cloud is going to automate the process of content creation and content posting. So how the hell is that is going to be done? Here you have a section of auto posters. Now you have to create an auto poster. Here you have to put on a certain term. I will suggest you just pick up a bigger niche or a bigger topic. If you want to post about bitcoins, go type here blockchain or cryptocurrencies. That will be more better. The Curation Cloud software will understand the keywords, and it will like gather more data about the blockchain or the bigger topic. Don't put here like smaller niche topics like bitcoin or just ethereum. It is hard to find out that content which can be reposted on your website. So go for like cryptocurrency and blockchain. If you put on more content, then obviously you are going to getting the more attention, right? So I will put on the term here digital marketing, because digital marketing is a bigger niche than just an SEO or something like that. And here you have to select your blog. I have not added any blog uh, of my personal here, so you can also limit the post 2 3 and so on, and minimum word count, what the minimum word count you want to have on your blog. So or on your post you can just put it here like 400 or 500. That can be great, and you have to just save it. Okay, we will only have a one post per year. I have a front end of the software. I can just put on one. The software will help me to put on one piece of content daily on my one blog. So this can be done here. Then also you can automate your social media accounts here. You just have to go to social accounts, and here you have to add your social accounts. Means you can add Facebook, Instagram, sorry, not Instagram. Instagram don't give APIs. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Blogger, Reddit, you can add all that here, all that on that account here, and it is going to post on the automated basis. So it's a kind of a very interesting software. If you create a website like I think InShots is a very popular website that repost other website content and makes millions of dollars. So that can be also done if you like connect, or if you have any idea about website and traffic. Cloud curation software can make you a hell lot of money, I think. And here you have all the tutorials of Curation Cloud. I will highly recommend you, if you get this software, if you like this software, if you get through go through all these trainings first before using it. Go through all these training. These are very small training. I think within 20 minutes you will complete all this training. This will help you to use the tool effectively, right? Now we are going to I'm going to reveal my special bonus with you. This is one of my Instagram account, and it currently have 75,000 followers, and I have multiple account of Instagram. It's my own account, and the account this account or this profile has a very good engagement rate. You can see 3,000 like, 4,000 like, and go on. We have a great uh, engagement rate here, and I hold multiple Instagram pages. If you want to grow your social media pages, I'm going to give you a 1 hour consultancy on the social media pages, or or audit your like social media pages. If you have some social media pages of yours, so I can help you to get more followers, just not followers, real followers, which will interact with you, and you can also make a lot of money with your social media accounts, or with the pages you want to create on the niche pages, or anything related to your social media account. I'm going to give you a 1 hour free consultancy. Now what you have to do to get my consultancy, you have to just go through the this page, which is available on the, which is the link is available on the description below. Now you have to mail us on this, or uh, uh, this email IDs, and we are going to contact you on 24 to 48 hours, and you are going to get all these bonuses quickly, and my meeting will be scheduled by my team or me as soon as possible when you pick up the software through our link. Hopefully guys,